able to analyze and respond to arguments is a key critical thinking skill students need throughout school and daily life. Raz-Plus Argumentation skill packs provide a comprehensive set of resources to support students as they learn to identify and explain claims, reasons, evidence, point of view, and much more. Each pack includes a lesson plan, model passages, writing prompt, and projectable animation to use for classroom instruction. Students then practice analyzing arguments and answering questions using new interactivities available through the Kids A to Z student portal, or by using printable versions of the activities. Argumentation skill packs are just one of many Raz-Plus resources designed to engage and challenge your intermediate students.